For Haroon, bridging relations between Muslims and Japanese also means strengthening the human bonds within the overall community. Protecting the weakest members of society is a crucial part of this effort.
Homeless people are really ignored by the Japanese society. This is really very painful for me. When I started this kind of homeless activities on an individual basis, I remember first time when I came to Japan and I found homeless near my house. Although I was student and I didn't have much money, I wanted to pay 500 yen to the homeless. So one of my neighbor, he saw me that I'm giving money. He got so much angry to me. He says in Japanese, they are namakemono. They are lazy people. They don't want to work. They are always drinking, something like this. So maybe there are some cases they are drinking and alcoholic, but not necessary, everybody. So in general, Japanese people think that a person who is homeless, he is a lazy. But this is not the truth, Islam says that if you sleep with full stomach and your neighbor he slept without food, then you are not a believer. It is very strong word. You are not a believer.
Almost every week, Haroon takes his sons to a small park near his house and visits the homeless people.
Amai mono suki desho?
Amai mono ne. Arigatou gozaimasu. 食べられなくて困っていたものですから。
そうです。今日食べてないですか？
今日も昨日も食べてませんが、ありがとうございます。いつもすいませんね。心からの感謝お願いします。ありがとうございます。
はい、じゃあ心をね。
そう。すいません。ありがとうございます。
Haroon believes that, in the end, the beliefs of Muslims and the beliefs of Japanese are really about the same.
When we ask Japanese people about their religion, they are not sure. They say Ichio Bukkyo, so-called they are Buddhist. But if we ask them that, do you have belief in God or something, again they are not sure. When I usually ask them, if you are in real trouble, what you will do? And almost everybody reply the same, that no, that time we are going to pray. So then my question is, to whom you are going to worship? They just put their finger, they say, on the sky. They say, God or Lord on the sky. Actually, this is exactly what we have a belief. Once they realize that what they believe is exactly that what Muslim believe is the same. That's why, I believe they are sleeping Muslim, but they don't know. Once you just wake them up, then they become Muslim.